Hey loves, it's Bella. I'm going to try to take these off. I got them done in Bali. They are coming off, literally coming off the top. Every time I run my fingers through my hair, it just gets caught. It's a mess. So we're going to do this neutral pink color. Valentine's Day is coming up. So I'll be doing this color right here. I made this by myself and all of the polish there is on here and it's numbered. We'll be using this color, which is a neutral color. You will need a base coat and a top coat. Also, some type of LED for nails. This one's from Beauty Involved, UV LED nail lamp. Also, I have this little tool that will hopefully allow me to scrape everything off with keeping the integrity of my actual nail. Let's cross our fingers. I'm not sure if I can do this or not. This is the first time I'm doing this, so pray for me. You turn it on like this, LED light, and that's how you charge it. STE S102, and I'll link everything for something very, very similar down below. I also have this tool to cut the nail. I have this, we'll see if I need it, and then I have this. It's supposed to push back the cuticle. I mean, you could use your finger too, but it came with it, so. And that's about it. Oh, one other thing is just instruction manual that I'll be following to do this properly. It's been a long time since I've done this, so I'm excited to see the results. Let's jump into it and start cutting. So because they're so long, first thing we should do is chop it. I'm going to start with my pointer finger and go, okay, well, this one actually is coming off. Like, should I just take it off? Oh my God, that was a bad idea. That was a bad idea. I just feel like my nail was coming off. OMG. I'm just going to hold off on the middle finger. This one's hurting really bad right now. Let's move forward to, the pointer finger. Let's move on to the middle finger now. Clip right. Oh my God, guys, I can't do this. It feels like my nail is coming off, like it's going to rip my nail off the bed. Should I go smaller first? Okay, that was a lot better. It still did not feel good, but it was better. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I've realized if you use small chunks at a time, it's okay. Small chunks. Let's stop right there for now. You can always do more if we'd like. Okay, so this is the length I decided to choose for now. And we're going to shave it down. Oh, that's another thing. Need a file. They're off. This one, I hurt myself. Be careful. Blood was drawn. It's not a murder scene, but it's still bleeding and it still hurts. Learn from this. So I used the device to shape it. Then I realized real quickly it was a waste of time. I grabbed this tool and was digging it under and digging and pushing it off, and the nail was popping off. In the beginning, I didn't know this, so I was just using my own finger and pushing it, and then it ripped, and then that's what happened here. Because I think it just was too deep and it was too attached and just kind of came off, and now it's bleeding. This hand was the tester, and it's not cute over here. So let's hope that you can't see the difference when I make content. I use this tool to cut it in the beginning. I use this to get off a little bit of long shaving on the top. So just cut it off. I use this for the cuticle, pushing the cuticle back. Can I use this device and shaved on the top so that all the little white shavings that comes, maybe it was glue, so it's flattened and you only see, so now you only see the aftermath, those little white lines, but they're flat, they're not lifted anymore. And yeah, we're now putting the base coat. Also keep this close because we're going to sterilize it as well. Plug it in to blue light. Let's start with the first coat. I'm going to start with my bad hand, one thin coat all the way. I honestly dabbed it one time, and now I'm using that only one dab to go through all of the nails. I'm going to turn it over on the last one. You can see that it's on. You'll see it clear and shiny. And now we're going to do the other side. Same thing. Continue. Oh, guys, no. It burned. I'm going to definitely skip my pinky on this one, because that's the one that was bleeding. So I 100% know that that is a wound. Unless I just do the top. Do I dare? This might be suicide. I'm going from literally the edge, and I'm going down to the opposite direction. It's getting close. Let me not go that close. Damn, this one's still burning. Okay. Now we're going to use the lamp. Put our finger. I'm going to do one hand at a time. Click the button and begin. We're curing them So you guys can see, sorry for the mess. I'm simply just putting my hand in right now and waiting till the lamp finishes, and then I'll put the other one. It says we cure it for 60 to 90 seconds. And then after this, we apply the color gel, which for today, we're using this one. And now they're both cured, we're gonna shake this up a little bit and open her up. We're gonna begin with our first layer. A thin layer is always better to start. So I might have grabbed too much, so I'm using the excess on the other finger so that it's not too thick on the thumb. Okay. There's a hair. You guys want to get that hair out now, even if it means messing it up. I'm going to wipe it off till I get the hair out. Perfect. I have a cat, Chloe, so that just happens from time to time. If you have cats or dogs, you understand. I'm going to just redo that. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to go to the other fingers now. This is a very neutral color. Ooh, there's another hair. It's one of those days. Okay, we're good. Now continue. Thin coat. I like this neutral pink color. Very subtle and cute. Perfect. Now it's time to cure. I'm curing it for the same 60 to 90 seconds. And now I'm going to do a second coat just because I want the color to show more. I might end up adding this one. It's kind of like this pink color too. I might try to one nail my ring finger just to test it. And also maybe this pink one on top. I'm not sure just yet. We'll see. So I put it on the ring finger and I do like it more. See how it's a little bit brighter than these ones? It's just slightly brighter. So I'm going to stick with it and put it on the rest of the fingers now too. This is what the color looks like. And then if I open it, it's like literally baby pink. But it doesn't look that pink on. See? Interesting. And the second new pink color is on. Second coat. Let's put it under. Again, 60 to 90 seconds. Ow, ow, ow. Ooh, it burned. I'm going to do my best to keep it there. Okay, we're good. And this is what it looks like compared to this. See how it's just a little bit brighter and this one's more neutral. Added it for a little more pink pop. And now I'm going to put the second coat with this new pink color on this hand and I'm going to cure it. 60 to 90 seconds. Almost done. And now it's time to add the top coat to both hands and cure for a third time. Same time frame. I'm just doing a thin layer. This is supposed to seal the polish and protect it evenly. It gives it also more of a shine as well. All finished and now it's time to cure. And we finished, all done. This is a soft light pink at home nails. This one still is burning. I did make myself bleed. So I'm probably going to put a band-aid to cover it. You live and you learn. But for being at home, doing this in like a couple hours, not that long, I think I did pretty well. Of course, over time we'll get better and better. But for now, this is going to save us money because I want to use the money for my face, for a scar removal. Use the money that I would be using for my nails for this year for that instead. And yeah, I think they're still cute. They're not super long, of course, but soon my real nail will be long and strong. Then I could shape it and take care of it. But for now, she has a lot of healing to do. She's very thin and brittle and not strong. That's what fake nails does to your real nails. We can't avoid this. So once all of this grows out and then chopped off, a strong nail will appear and we won't need to go get it professionally done. We can just do it from home and still have long, cutely shaped nails. I hope you guys found this helpful in every way. I love you so much and I'll see you in the next one.